What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video we are going to discuss how to change store name header or how to change h1 tag or header 1 tag in Shopify store. So the first thing you need to do is go and log into Shopify backend, which is by entering username and password. And once you log into your Shopify store, you will be redirected to the home page. So once you are at the home page, just go to uh, settings, and from settings just go to general, and from general just change your store name to whatever you want. Store name h1 version 2 and just click save. So when you change the store name, automatically the h1 tag in your theme or h1 tag in your actual Shopify store will be automatically changed, and you don't need to worry about going into theme code and find out the actual h1 tag in bracket. Just change here the store name and it will be automatically changed in your actual store. So let me know if in comments if this method worked for you. If not, just let me know what issue you are having, or put some extra details and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. Bye bye. Take care.